Ever thought about visiting Thailand? A land of contrasts, where the modern world coexists with ancient traditions, where skyscrapers tower over tranquil temples and bustling markets border serene beaches. Thailand, the gem of Southeast Asia, offers a unique blend of experiences. It's a place where you can soak in the hustle and bustle of city life one moment, and find yourself marveling at the tranquility of a golden sunset on a secluded beach the next. Let's start with the cities. Bangkok, the capital, is a whirlwind of activity. Its streets are alive with the hum of tuk-tuks, the tantalizing aroma of street food, and a myriad of sights that will leave you awestruck. Then there's Chiang Mai, the Rose of the North, boasting its ancient temples and lush mountains, offering a serene retreat from the fast-paced life of the city. But beyond the city limits, Thailand's serene beaches beckon. Picture yourself lounging on the golden sands, the warm sun on your skin, and the sound of the waves lapping gently at the shore. These are the moments of pure bliss that await you on Thailand's stunning tropical islands. And let's not forget about the rich culture that permeates every corner of this country. From the ornate temples, home to golden Buddhas and intricate carvings, to the lively festivals that fill the streets with color and music, Thailand's cultural heritage is a spectacle to behold. Then there's the cuisine. Thai food is a gastronomic adventure filled with bold flavors and tantalizing spices. Whether you're sampling a bowl of fragrant tom yum soup, trying out a plate of pad thai, or savoring the sweet sticky delight of mango sticky rice, your taste buds are in for a treat. And of course there's the shopping and nightlife. From bustling night markets filled with unique treasures to high-end shopping malls and vibrant nightlife that keeps the city buzzing until dawn, Thailand offers an array of experiences to suit every traveler's taste. So why not discover a world of experiences in one country? Thailand awaits you. Welcome to Bangkok, a city that never sleeps. This vibrant city, the capital of Thailand, is a bustling hive of activity, offering a mix of history, culture, and modernity that's hard to match. Let's start with the Grand Palace, a dazzling spectacle that stands as a testament to Thailand's regal history. This majestic complex, with its shimmering spires and intricate detail, was the official residence of the kings of Siam. It's not just a palace, it's a city within a city, home to numerous buildings, halls, pavilions set around open lawns, gardens, and courtyards. Close by, you'll find Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn. Its towering, ornate spire covered in colorful porcelain is one of the defining images of Bangkok. At the break of dawn or as the sun sets, the temple exudes a mystical aura that's simply mesmerizing. But Bangkok isn't just about grand palaces and ancient temples, it's a city that thrives on its street life. The bustling markets are a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and smells. Visit the Chatuchak Weekend Market, one of the world's largest, where you can buy anything from vintage sneakers to antique furniture, or sample some of the city's famous street food. As the sun sets, Bangkok transforms into a city of lights, with a vibrant nightlife that caters to all. From rooftop bars offering breathtaking views of the city skyline, to night markets selling local crafts and mouth-watering street food, and pulsating nightclubs where you can dance the night away, there's something for everyone. And let's not forget shopping. From the high-end malls of Siam Square to the street stalls of Khao San Road, Bangkok is a shopper's paradise. Whether you're looking for designer brands, unique souvenirs, or just a bargain, you'll find it here. From ancient temples to modern skyscrapers, Bangkok offers a unique blend of the old and the new. This city with its rich history and vibrant culture is waiting for you to explore. So, are you ready to dive into the vibrancy of Bangkok? Next on our journey is Chiang Mai, the cultural capital of Thailand. As if lifted straight from the pages of a fairy tale, Chiang Mai is a city steeped in history, bursting with vibrant life, and adorned with a splendid mix of ancient and contemporary. At its heart, you'll find over 300 temples, each one seeming to hold its own secret, waiting to be discovered. From the golden spires of Wat Phra Singh, a 14th century temple that houses the sacred Phra Singh Buddha image, to the intricate wood-carved marvel that is Wat Phan Tao, this city is a living museum of architectural and spiritual grandeur. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a shopper's paradise, with the famous night bazaar coming alive. It's an extravaganza of sights, sounds, and enticing aromas. Here, one can find a treasure trove of traditional Thai handicrafts, silk, jewelry, and street food, making it a must-visit for anyone looking to take home a piece of Thailand. But what sets Chiang Mai apart is its unique traditions. The annual Lantern Festival, or Yi Peng as it's locally known, is a spectacle that will leave you spellbound. Imagine thousands of lanterns carrying prayers and wishes, ascending to the night sky, creating a celestial spectacle that's nothing short of magical. And for those seeking a wholesome experience, a visit to the Elephant Nature Park is a must. Here, you can spend a day with these gentle giants, feeding them, bathing them, and learning about conservation efforts. It's not just an experience, it's a journey into the heart of Thailand's wilderness. Chiang Mai is more than just a city, it's an experience. It's a place where you can walk down the lanes of history one moment, haggle over souvenirs the next, and end the day releasing a lantern into the night sky. It's where ancient traditions and modern life coexist in harmony, creating a unique blend of the old and the new. Immerse yourself in a city where tradition meets modernity, Chiang Mai. Now, let's sail away to Thailand's tropical islands. Imagine stepping onto the sun-kissed shores of Phuket. This island is a paradise personified with its breathtakingly beautiful beaches, the softest sands and azure waters. The Patong Beach, known for its vibrant nightlife, and the tranquil Kata Noi Beach, perfect for a serene escape, are just a couple of the must-visit spots in Phuket. Engage in a variety of water sports, from jet skiing to parasailing, or perhaps take a leisurely canoe trip around the stunning limestone cliffs. Phuket truly is a beach lover's dream. As night falls, the island of Koh Phangan comes alive with the legendary full moon party. This all-night beach rave, held every full moon, is a spectacle to behold. Dance to the beat of the music as the beach transforms into a kaleidoscope of neon colors. Thousands of partygoers from around the globe unite, creating an atmosphere that is electric and unforgettable. From there we journey to the enchanting province of Krabi. Here, towering limestone cliffs jut out from the emerald green waters, creating a dramatic panorama. The Railay Beach, accessible only by boat, is a secluded piece of heaven, while the Phi Phi Islands, with their crystal-clear waters, are a snorkeling paradise. In Krabi, you can also indulge in an array of thrilling water sports. Dive into the underwater world with scuba diving sessions, or test your balance with stand-up paddleboarding. For the daredevils, rock climbing against the backdrop of the Andaman Sea is an experience like no other. These islands aren't just about the beaches and parties, they are also rich in culture and history. Discover ancient sea caves, explore hidden lagoons, or visit the sacred Big Buddha in Phuket. The tropical islands of Thailand offer a balance of relaxation, adventure, and cultural exploration. Whether you're a beach bum or an adrenaline junkie, Thailand's islands cater to all. No journey to Thailand is complete without indulging in its mouth-watering cuisine. Imagine a symphony of flavors dancing on your palate, a harmonious blend of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy that leaves you craving for more. That's the magic of Thai cuisine. Known for its bold, aromatic, and balanced flavors, Thai food is truly a foodie's delight. Let's start with the classics. Pad Thai, a stir-fried noodle dish, is a must-try for anyone visiting Thailand. With its mix of rice noodles, tofu or shrimp, bean sprouts, peanuts, egg, and lime, it's a melody of textures and flavors in one plate. Next, there's the Thai green curry, a vibrant, fragrant dish that is as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the taste buds. Made with green chilies, coconut milk, and a variety of fresh herbs and spices, it's a dish that packs a punch and leaves a lingering heat on your tongue. And of course, how can we forget the iconic mango sticky rice? This traditional dessert is a perfect balance of sweet ripe mangoes and creamy coconut milk-infused sticky rice. It's a refreshing end to any meal, and a taste you won't easily forget. But Thai cuisine is not just about these famous dishes. It's also about the unique street food culture that adds a certain charm to the culinary scene. From the bustling markets of Bangkok to the quiet alleys of Chiang Mai, every corner of Thailand offers a new taste to discover. Whether it's the sizzling grilled pork skewers, the spicy papaya salad, or the comforting bowl of tom yum soup, the street food scene is a gastronomic adventure in itself. Thai food is an explosion of flavors, a feast for the senses. It's not just about eating, it's about experiencing a part of Thai culture. From the fresh ingredients used to the traditional cooking methods, every dish tells a story of a rich culinary heritage that has been passed down through generations. So come and tantalize your taste buds with the flavors of Thailand.